Hey guys, it's Aaliyah here from Team Croy over at DocSports.com. And right now, if you use promo code T25F, you can save 25% off any daily or weekly package in any sport. Once again, that is promo code T25F, and multiple uses are allowed. This promo code expires Friday at 10 p.m. Eastern, so make sure that you take advantage of it right now at DocSports.com. Now, your free NHL pick for Friday, March 12th, 2021 is on the Colorado Avalanche money line over the Los Angeles Kings. The Kings come in with an 11-8-6 record and at 5th in the West. Meanwhile, the Avalanche comes in right above at 4th in the West with a 14-8-2 record. Both teams are coming off of wins. The Kings last faced the Ducks and won 5-1, while the Avalanche last faced the Coyotes and won 2-1. While LA did perform well in their last game, in their two games before that, they managed to allow a total of 10 goals. The Kings rank 14th in the NHL, allowing 2.84 goals a game, while Colorado ranks 6th, allowing just 2.46. And while the Kings are slightly better at scoring offense than the Avalanche, Colorado does perform better offensively at home and will now have the upper hand playing at the Ball Arena here Friday. Furthermore, the Avalanche is now 4-0 in their last four Friday games, while the Kings are just 1-7. So be sure to play the Colorado Avalanche on the money line here Friday. And you can also get $60 worth of Vernon Croy's premium member only picks over at DocSports.com, or just click the link below the video. Now, please post in the comment section below if you agree with Vernon Croy's prediction or not, and also give this video a thumbs up, and we will keep the sports picks coming. Thanks, and we appreciate your time.